Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. Today discuss about shapes and angles from your workbook. See, today discuss about shapes and angles, page number 4. See here, write the number of edges, faces and corners for the following objects. See, first we discuss about cube. So this is cube. You can write number of edges, number of faces, number of corners. So first row, first one beta, cube, number of edges. Number of edges. How many edges beta in a cube? 12 edges. Write down everybody. Next, number of faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Next, number of corners. Number of corners means how many corners there are? 8 corners. Now next one, cookies means that is cuboid. Number of edges. How many edges are there beta? 12 edges. Next, number of faces. The cuboid has 6 faces. Next, number of corners. Number of corners beta 8. Now second row, first one. So that is called as cylinder. Cylinder. Second row, first one beta. Cylinder. See in it. Number of edges. How many edges? 2 edges. Number of faces 2. Number of corners 4. Next, this is called as cone shape. Number of edges. So 2 edges later. Next, number of faces 2. Number of corners 1. Next, second bit, the following objects having rectangle faces or square faces connect the object with the same faces by drawing a lines. See, this is cuboid, so you can connect this. This is hard disk in the shape of cuboid. Next, dice in the shape of cube. You connect this, draw this and this. So this is to this, this is to this. Now next, name the angles marked in the following picture. See here, page number 4, first one, rabbit is given. So what is the angle? This is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next one, kangaroo. So here this is kangaroo. So what is this? This is obtuse angle. So write down in the kangaroo picture obtuse angle. Now next, this is tiger. So first of all observe, this is, what is this? This is right angle. Tiger beta. Right angle. Now next, see, now next, deer beta. Deer. Deer, see here, this is less than 90 degree. Deer less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means the angle whose more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree is called as, what is this? Acute angle. Deer acute angle beta. Now this is deer, but deer here jumping. So you can see legs of the deer. Now see, this is, what is this beta? Listen carefully. Oh, not here, there.
Down.
Down only, obtuse angle. So this is also obtuse angle beta. So deer jumping, so this is obtuse angle. So if given this like only, so if given the figure is this like only, so did not give, sorry, this like only, this is called as reflex angle, but here did not give. So this is the deer is jumping in the picture, so now it is make a obtuse angle. Now next, this is crocodile, acute angle. Crocodile what nana? Acute angle. Mouth, so less than 90 degree, acute angle. What is this? This is the mouth of crocodile. So acute angle, write down everybody. Say now next, page number 6, identify the angle between the two hands of the following clock. One is done for you. Say first one 0 degree. Next one Identify the angle.
Hmm.
Identify the angle between the two hands. Better listen carefully. Listen carefully, beta. So, this is 12, this is 6, 9, 3 beta. Here 1, here 2, here 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, beta. See beta, here 12 to 1. So, the minutes hand, first figure you can see, the minutes hand, the hours hand, both at 12 means 0 degree beta. See, listen carefully. See, next, the hours hand at 1, at present 1, the minutes hand at present 12, then you can make 30 degree beta. Listen carefully. Next, 30 plus 30, 60 degree. 60 plus 30, 90 degree. Next, 90 plus 30, 120 degree. Listen carefully. 120 plus 30. 150 degree. Next here 180 degree plus 30. 180 plus 30, 210 degree plus 30, 240 degree plus 30, 270 degree plus 30. Now next 300 degree. Next 330 degree. Next again 360 degree. Means one round is completed, you can get 360 degree. See here, first one is both hours and minutes and at 12 o'clock. Then it is 0 degree. Next first row, second one, hours hand, where hours hand? Hours hand at present 1 and minutes hand exactly 12 means this is 30 degree. So then you can write here 30 degree. Everybody write down. Now next first row, third one, the hours hand where at present 2 o'clock. See the hours hand present it can show 2 and the minutes hand it can show 12. So it is completed 60 degree. How many degree? 60 degree. Did you understand? Now next second row, first one, the hours hand exactly 3. The hours hand it can shows exactly 3. Minutes hand it can shows exactly 12. So here 90 degree. Everybody write down. This is 90 degree. Now next second row, second one, hours hand exactly it can shows at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock means 120 degree. So see, 0 you can start 0 degree, 30, 60. So you can add in each number 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. See next second row, third one, the hour's hand exactly it can shows 5 o'clock. Means how many degrees completed? 5 o'clock, 150 degree. 150 degree. Next, the hour's hand it can show exactly 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock means beta straight line means 180 degree. 180 degree. Write down everybody. Next, the hour's hand it can shows where at present 7 means 180 plus 30, 210 degree. Next, the hour hands at present 8 means 240 degree. Already I written. So very simple, you can say directly. Now next, the hour's hand at present 9. 9 not 90 degree. Not 90 degree. See, already 90 degree completed. Then this is, you can say, you can measure this like only. Then what is that? 270 degree. 270 degree. Now next, the hour's hand at present 10, 300 degree. Next, the hour's hand at present 11. 11 means 330 degree. Am right? So next, recognize the angles formed in the following English letters. English letters. See here, listen carefully, beta. See here, you can write these angles. See, first you can write, this is, both are acute angle. Both are acute angle, less than 90 degree. So here, acute angle, this is also acute angle. Now next one, H beta. See here, what is this? 90 degree. 90 degree means exactly 90 degree, right angle. This is right angle. This is also right angle. Now next K. See, this is and this is. Look at the blackboard. This angle is less than 90 degree. This angle is less than 90 degree. The angle whose more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. So you can write this is acute angle. Now this is beta. See, this is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, then it is called as obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now next one. See beta, what is this? This is less than 90 degree. What is this? This is also less than 90 degree. Means both angles are acute angles. So you can write it here. Acute angle. This is also acute angle. Now next. See, what is this? This is also less than 90 degree. Acute angle. Now next, last. See here, this is more than 90 degree beta. So obtuse angle. This is less than 90 degree. less than 90 degree means acute angle. Acute angle. Next, filling the blanks. Page number 7, filling the blanks. First one, angles are measured in degrees. Second one, the measure of right angle is 90 degree. Third one, the angle smaller than right angle is called acute angle. Next, fourth one, the angle greater than right angle is called obtuse angle. Fifth one, the angle formed between two lines in letter L, 90 degree means right angle. Last one, see, the length of the line that connects the center of a circle to any point on its boundary is called as its radius. Now next, page number 8. Match the shadow to the folded fingers of eyes. So first one, what beta? See, this is first one. Next, you can say next one. This is second one. This is third one. Now next, identify the parts of each circle and write them in the given space. See, this is very, very important topic. Listen carefully. This is the center of the circle. C, D. First one, center. Center means what, beta? C. Next, radius. Radius say beta. Radius. C to A. In a circle from center point to any point on its boundary of a circle is known as its radius. So here center to any point, boundary of a circle, that is CA, radius. Next, diameter. Diameter means the line segment passes through the center point of the circle is known as its diameter. Diameter ఎప్పుడు కూడా center point నుంచే వెళ్తుంది. See here, DB or BD. Now next one. Say now next one. This is P. This is R. This is Q. See here, center. Center means here R. Radius. Radius means RP is correct. And also RP also is correct. Diameter is equals to twice its radius. Means RP. Now next, diameter. Diameter means the line segment passes through the center point of the circle is called as its diameter. Then you can write PQ. So today our class is completed. Tomorrow discuss about next find the radius and diameter of each circle. So thank you everybody.